In a significant move to strengthen patient safety and hospital preparedness, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has launched a nationwide Fire Safety Week across healthcare facilities. The initiative comes at a time when concerns over hospital infrastructure safety and emergency readiness are growing, particularly after repeated reports of fire incidents and compliance gap in medical institutions. Healthcare facilities are among the most vulnerable spaces during fire emergencies due to presence of critical care unit, oxygen pipelines, electrical equipments, and immobile patients. Even minor lapse in fire safety system can lead to catastrophic outcomes. Recognizing this risk, the government's latest initiative aims to standardize safety protocols, raise awareness, and ensure preparedness across states and union territories. The campaign is not just a symbolic observance, but a part of a broader effort to build a culture of safety in India's healthcare system. With mock drills, training programs, and safety audit planned across nation, the Fire Safety Week signals a proactive shift towards prevention rather than reaction. Your Report News Now.